So yeah, it's a Skylar wave. I don't know, but just first time I'm just dubbing my video. I don't know you will like it or not. Just I'm trying to dub it with this awkward voice. I don't know you like it now. So first thing we have to do is guys just purchase the normal rules. Yeah. So I just wanna tell that why I don't cut the scenes in my video. So that the topic is I just wanted to show you that I don't get the much chance, or you can see easily that how much time I took to win a say solo bed wars game. That's why I didn't cut my video. Yeah, you can skip the part where I can purchasing like in the current. I think my opponent is lagged. Yeah, I can purely see that. Yeah, I can say that my English is really weak. So don't judge it just by I'm saying in the current time. You just have to watch the game, man. Yeah, you can see this. So now we are rushing on our opponent. But yo, what the hell? Yeah. So guys, I think I have to learn more bridging because my bridging is really bad. You can clearly see that how bad I am playing. Yeah. Yeah, man. He is really. Oh, what the hell, man? What just happened? Can someone please explain? Did he just leave just 1 second? If we took one more second, so definitely, guys, I would got one kill. But still, our luck is not good. We have to go on opponent side. Yeah, if we really wanted to get bad or win the game, so the good thing if you wanted to win this game, so you have to do a side race. Yeah, that is one of the best thing you can do to win a game. Yeah, you can bet like this. If you do the side run, you have probably high chances to win this game. Yeah, so orange is not in on his way. Yeah, this is my uh, what I can say that a mod that helps me to watch the FOV increase. Yeah, I don't like it that much, but what we can do, I can just watch it. And now I'm purchasing some blocks. And what if, yeah, I think that our iron armor will automatically made if we fight here and gold will generate. Okay, so yeah, he's running. Oh no, man, why I can't use this? I'm not going by the help of the automated ready-made bridge because he will fall me. Oh, I kill it red. Okay, red is out of the game. Yeah, man. You can see that now only two players are remain, and one is orange and the other is me. Okay, now we can see that. Okay, so now we are rushing, man. Okay, my friend Mokto is online. Yeah, man. I know I'm noob. Even you are a what I'm doing, man. Green bed is automatically already what I can say that destroyed. So why I'm doing what I'm doing, man. Yo, let's go. Yo, I have to just fix my stack. If I, for sometimes I fall while doing the bridging, like if my blocks was ended or not get the enough time. What I'm saying, I don't know. Oh, just I'm trying to kill. Yo, go, man! I'm destroying your bed. Yo, let's go, boys. What the hell? He's going to my bed. No, man, no. Arre, no, man. He's just going on my bed. I have to kill him. No. Nah, man. Lost it. Forgot it, man. Because he have an iron armor and I have a chain armor. So probably definitely I have low chances to win against him. So yeah, just I am making my iron armor. Oh man, here only 22 goals are present. How I going to win the game easily? Oh no, man. I just have to wait for the time until I get the 28 gold. Yeah, now I can purchase my iron armor. Yeah, guys, if you really wanna win this game, so you just have to do one thing: make iron armor and rush on opponents by making one iron sword. You definitely win. If you know the small PvPs, yeah, you don't have to be that much pro or anything else in the game. Like me, you can see me. I am also a new player, but still I am winning the game. Yeah, as you can see. Oh, I think that he's not in my brace. So definitely I think that he went. On his base. Oh, but he's not there. Okay, we can collect some emerald, man. Okay. Oh, he's going to his base. Okay, so before we can get some emerald to purchase the diamond sword, that will easily help us to kill this man. Yeah, you can also use the diamond sword. Yeah, this will very help to fight against the player. If the opponent is pro, you will still able to defeat him. If you have a diamond sword and you know the normal PvP skills, you can easily kill the opponent. Oh man. He's just standing there. If I go there, he will definitely throw me out of the bridge and won the game. So I think I have to make one another bridge. Yeah, yeah. What the hell, man? He's also doing the same thing. Okay, so now I'm giving chance. Come here, man. Yo. So yeah, I think I am definitely going to kill him. Oh, what the hell, man? What the hell, man? He just took me combo. Lol, lol. Run, 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 man. Bro. What the hell? What the hell? Yo. Yeah, that is the right time. Right time. Oh, yes. Yeah, as I told you, man. This is the best trick to win a game. Just throw the players from the bridge. Bye bye.